Hi friends, today we will discuss most important questions given in TCS NQT on percentages topic. Question 1. A is 25% less than B. By what percent is B more than A? We should remember the formula R by 100 plus R minus R into 100. See the question. A is 25% less than B. In the starting, if they have given less than, in the denominator you should do subtraction. If they gave more than, here we should do plus in the denominator. So the first question, the solution is 25 by 100 minus 25. That is 25 by 75 into 100. That is 100 by 3. That is 33.33%. So option C is correct answer. The next question, A is 25% more than B. By what percent is B less than A? Here they have given more than in the starting. So in the denominator we should add. So R by 100 plus R we'll use here. 25 by 100 plus 25 into 100, that is 25 by 125 into 100, that is 100 by 5, that is 20%. So option B is the correct answer. Now we'll see the third question. Indian film industry is 2 by 7 more rich than Indian TV industry. By what percent is the Indian TV industry less rich than Indian film industry? In the before problems, we have seen that they have given the percentage, but here they have given the fraction, so the formula will be changing. In place of 100 we are using 1, so R by 1 plus R minus R. If they have given more than in the starting, we'll use plus. If they have given less than in the starting, we'll use minus. Here R is 2 by 7. In starting they have given more rich, so in the denominator we should do addition. 2 by 7 by 1 plus 2 by 7, that is 2 by 7 by 9 by 7, 7 7 cancel, 2 by 9 into 100, that is 22.22%. So option C is correct answer. Now we'll see the next question. The total income of Arun in 2017, 2018, 2019 is rupees 364. Every year the salary increases by 20%. What is the income in 2017? For that, first let 2017 income is X. 2018 20% increase in X, so X plus 20 by 100 into X. If we simplify, we are getting 1.2X. After that, in 2019, into 1.2X, again 20% increase, so 1.2X plus 20 by 100 into 1.2X, so I am getting 1.44X. In the question they have given total income, so we'll add all these X plus 1.2X plus 1.44X. How much they have given in the question? That is rupees 364. So equal to 364. 3.64X equal to 364. X equal to 100. So option B is the correct answer. Now we will see the fifth question. You and your crush wrote the TCS NQT test while you scored 45% and got 4 marks below the cutoff, and your crush scored 60% and got 8 marks above the cutoff and got selected for the interview. What was the maximum marks in the test? First, we let the cutoff be X. They have given I got X minus 4, my crush got X plus 8, where X minus 4 is 45% of total marks and X plus 8 is 60% of total marks. I will tell you the shortcut. If you do the original method, it will take a lot of time. Write in one line x minus 4, x and x plus 8. Under x minus 4, you write 45%. Under x plus 8, you write 60%. The difference between 45% and 60% is 15%. From x minus 4 is, the distance is 4. and between x and x plus 8 the distance is 8. If you add both you will get 12. You can equate that 15% with 12. And for 15% if it is 12, for 100% how much? Let x, you do the cross multiplication. 15x equal to 1200, and after simplification you will get 80 marks as the answer. So option B is the correct answer. Try it yourself. This is the previous question given in 2019. The total income of Ramu in the years 2003, 2004, 2005 was $36,400. Her income increased by 20% each year. What was her income in 2005? I have given the options. Try it yourself and post the answer in the comment section. I will verify it. Thank you so much. Don't lose the consistency. Like, share, and subscribe the channel.